In this video, we're going to present our design about how we incorporate Internet of Things to our fertility test, which is widely used on a WAN network. The presenters, Awayan, Balba, Elsa, and Oclaris. All right, so what is IoT? Internet of Things is a system of interrelated computing devices, mechanical and digital machines. It can also be an object, a person, or an animal, provided with a unique identifier and the ability to transfer data over a network without requiring human to human or human to computer interaction. Now, we're going to talk about the project. Our project should benefit couples who are having difficulties in conception by relaying the test results from the device directly to the corresponding doctors. The results will then be evaluated automatically and should foretell if the patient is indeed fertile or not. So this is the representation of our IoT design upon implementation. So basically the cloud representation on the screen are the locations where the users of our Obvioscope are at. On the top left would be the city of Manila. The top right shows Pasig. The lower right would be Marikina. And of course, on the top mid part is the main office. Lastly, the central cloud representation would be the internet service provider. So here is how it works. One patient, for example, is using our Obvioscope. In this video, it is represented by a camera, this one, since it's basically a device that captures image from a saliva, then analyze it if it's fertile or not. Now, patient Marikina has now used the device for a couple of days. Therefore, the system has now data on the Obvioscope website, which is obvioscope.com, as you can see. Let me just sign in using a computer to the website to find out all the data that was entered by the user. Alright, so let me just sign in. The website is obvioscope.com. Alright, and of course it asks for username, Regina, the password 3. Okay, so this right here shows the images that was taken by the patient. If it's working on a computer, of course, it should also work on a smartphone. Alright, the same website, obvioscope.com, Regina, 1, 2, 3. There you go. Okay. So if it's working in Marikina, of course, it should also be working the rest of the locations. So this is at Manila already. Let me just sign in. This is basically the same. The only difference would be the username and the password, of course. So obvioscope.com. User is now Manila. 1, 2, 3. Okay, there you go. Okay, so this is our overview of our main office. In the main office, of course, everything is stored on the main server. This right here is a main server. Then, the main controller, which is represented by a laptop computer, should be able to access all of the information of the user on the website. Let's try it out. Again, the same website, obvioscope.com, and then, for example, let's try accessing Pasig. 1, 2, 3, sign in. Oops. I'm sorry, password. 123. Okay, and that's basically it. So, in summary, we just presented how our project works and how it is applied in a wide area network. The rest of the network configurations are on the documentation. Hope you like our presentation. Thanks for watching.